valid character constant, this is the valid character constant, this is the valid character constant. So a character constant is a single digit, or it is a single alphabet, or it is a single special symbol enclosed within single inverted comma. Both commas should point left. Now variable. In step 2, second point is variable. So we are going to describe the variable. Variable. Variable is also called identifier. It is also called name of memory location. It is an entity that may change during the program execution. A particular types of variable can hold only same types of constant, which means if there is n types of constant, then there must be n types of variable. So types of constants becomes types of variable. Types of variables. Here is a variable. Variable divided into two parts. Primary variable, primary variables, secondary variable, primary variable and secondary variable. Primary variable is also called primitive variable or fundamental variable. Secondary variable is also called non-primitive variable. Primary variable further divided into three major category. First one is a integer variable. Second one is a real variable. And third one is a character variable. Secondary variable further divided into many parts such as array variable, pointer variable, structure, and union. It is same as like the classification of constants. Rules for constructing the different types of constants are different, but rules for constructing all types of variable name are same. Rules for constructing variables names. Rules for constructing the valid variable name. Rules for constructing the valid variable name. Once again, rules for constructing the different types of constants are different, but rules for constructing the all types of variable are same. It may be primary variable, it may be secondary variable. Rule first, variable name Variable name is any combination of alphabets, digits, and underscore. Rule first is a variable name is any combinations of alphabets, digits and underscore. Rule 2, length of variable name can be up to 31, but there are some compilers which allow variable name length up to 247. Third, variable name cannot start with digit. Fourth, no special symbol other than underscore is allowed here. No comma or blank is allowed here. So these are the rules for constructing a valid variable name for all types of variable. Examples of valid variable name. This is the valid variable name. This is also valid variable name. Follow all the rules. This is also valid variable names. This is also valid variable names, underscore. This is also valid variable name, double underscore. This is not valid variable name because 8 is a digit. A is not valid variable name because it starts with digit a minus a underscore 8. Valid variable name. Not valid variable name because int is a keyword. We cannot use keyword as a variable name. This is valid variable name because this int is not keyword. Here I is a capital. So we can choose this int as a variable name, but this is not. This is the keyword. So all these are the valid variable name. Variable name should be simple, short and meaningful. Keywords. Keywords are also called reserved words. Keywords are words whose meaning are already defined in compiler. We cannot choose keywords as a variable name because if we are trying to choose keywords as a variable name, it means we are trying to redefining their meanings, which compiler will not allow you. There are 32 types of keyword in C language. These are as follows: auto, break, continue, return, exit, go to, int, float, char, default, case, const, const, do, while, if, for, volatile, these are the examples of keywords. It is basically, keywords are basically 32 types in C language, but there are some compilers which allow more than 32 keywords. Some of them are such as for, near, ASM. These are the extra keywords which some compilers allow. When we are using for, near, ASM, then we have to use double underscore before these keywords. So this is not in our scope here. Data types. Step third is data types. Data type tells compiler what type of a value a particular variable is holding. Types of data type. Types of data type. Types of data type. Their types are classified as follows. Data type, primary data type, primitive data type, you can say anything. Primitive data type, void, void, derived data type, derived data type, user defined data type, user defined data type. Data type is classified into 4 major categories: primitive data type, void data type, derived data type, and user defined data type. Primitive data type categorized into many parts. Integer, real, character, derived data type divided into 2 major categories: array, pointer. Array and pointer. User defined data type categorized into many parts such as structure, union, enumeration basically, and type def. Integer constant further divided into many parts such as sort int, long int. Real divided into many parts. Real divided into many parts. Float, double, long double. Character divided into two parts. Char divided into char. Character divided into char. Each has two parts: sort, signed char, sort, unsigned char. Each has two pairs: signed, unsigned, signed, unsigned, signed, unsigned. Here two parts,